Hi guys, today I have a mini Whinnies surprise, and here's the ones you could get. And there's a mystery, and I'm guessing these ones come with two, the Fancy and Poppy. And I have a Dinosaur train, mystery, Hatchosaurs. It's just an egg. So let's get started with the horse. I'm guessing they're going to be mini. Ooh. That's cool. So here's the horse. And then it comes with a picture of it in real life. That is cool. Let's see which one we got. Oh, there's more over here. We got Nugget. Here he is. Nugget. Okay. Now, let's get started with the other surprise, which is the egg. Which these are a little hard to open. This is harder than a LOL surprise. I'm going to get scissors. I'll be right back. Back with some scissors. How do they expect people to open these? These scissors can't even open it. If you've got one of these and realize it's really hard, put it in the comment. It's taking forever. Which, with the horse thing, I thought it was really cool it came with a picture of the horse in real life. Okay, we're halfway through. It says for ages 2 and up, so I'm guessing it'll be a little bit bigger than the horse. thought it was kind of small because it did say mini on the package, and I was like, That's probably why it was small. Because they usually make them big, like other toys big. Especially mystery plushies. Okay, okay. Whoa. Okay, we got it opened, and there is, as you can see, some things right there. It's hard to open. Why would they do that? Whoa. Dinosaur trying to hatch list. Okay. So, here is some on the first page. Whoa. And then there's some on this page. So if you know who any of these characters are from Dinosaur Train, tell me, and it is just, whoa! Okay, this is the one we got. So that would be he is a piped carnivore and velociraptor. Okay guys, if you liked my video, please subscribe and like. If you've got any of these, please put it in the comments down below. Setting this up. Okay. Here's all the prizes I got. Oh. Hope you liked my video. Make sure to subscribe and like to my channel. And like, if you got anything like similar to this, put it in the comments. And if you know any of these, put it in the comments down below.